Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you join a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So guys, it's a very easy process. At first, just install the Microsoft Teams app and create an account. After that, you need to have the link of the meeting to join a meeting. Otherwise, you cannot. You can have the link through many social platforms, just like WhatsApp that I'm using. Here you can see I have invited to a link here. uh, just clicking on the link I can join the meeting like this, choosing Microsoft Teams. Here you can see by clicking here join now I can join the meeting. So guys, that's how you can join a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.